War is something nobody needs. I believe war is a form of revenge and hate, and it has so reason to exist. War has been going on for centuries. Countries and people fight all the time. We have to understand the importance of peace and have no war. All war does is cause destruction and chaos. I chose war because I think it is a problem that needs to be solved. War is a terrible thing. War kills innocent people and soldiers. The war needs to end, and all others need to end as well. If the world is at peace, we can all be happy and be united instead of fighting.